Hey guys, it's your girl Purely Janice. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Tiana Jordan. Hello, how are you? And if not, hey boo, I missed you. Thank you for coming back once again. So today we are going to be doing another wig install featuring hair from ISEE Beauty. They actually sent me a wig to review. So I just want to take a moment to thank ISEE Hair for providing me with the wig. This is going to be my first wig review, so I'm super excited. I waited so that you guys could open this wig right along with me, do a little unboxing, all that good stuff. So if this sounds like something that you want to stick around and see, you already know what to do. We are just gonna get right into the video. Okay, so we're gonna ignore the bonnet because sis under here is just came in this packaging. It actually didn't take long for you guys, I can't open it up. If I remember correctly, the wig only took about 3 days to get to me, so it's super fast shipping. This is how it looks when I took it out of that packaging that it was just in. It says ISEE Hair Princess Series. Super cute box. I love it. It's like a little marble effect going on. I love it. I love it. And then on the back, it has ISEE Hair, if you guys can see. And then it has their different social media platforms as well. In the box, it says See Your Beauty. I think that's really cute. And then again, it has all their social media platforms right here. Now let's get to the wig. This is the Brazilian hair 150 density. It is the 13x6 closure. And again, it has the hair texture and it has the length right here. In the box, we have some 3D mink lashes, an edge tamer brush / comb, a little barrette, I'm guessing, a clip, barrette, whatever you want to call it, little pamphlet. And then on the inside, it gives you all of the hair care and maintenance. And then on the back, we have their contact information. But let's get into this hair though. So right now I'm just showing you guys the wig, how much lace you guys are working with. It also comes with lace in the back as well, and then you have 1 clip in the back and 3 clips along the top of the lace closure area. This wig was very soft to the touch, and this was before I did any kind of customizing to it, so I can already tell that this is very good quality hair. It's pre-plucked, I believe, but I did go in and do my own plucking. Right now I'm just adding foundation to my cap. I've already showed you guys how to apply the cap in a previous video, so I decided not to do it here. And I also forgot to mention that they do come with adjustable straps in the back of the wig as well, so if the wig is a little bit too big, you can always tighten it up. I always like to size my wig before I glue anything down or start cutting, just to make sure that I don't leave too much lace behind or have the wig too far onto my forehead so it just looks highly unnatural. Then I like to cut 3 slits into the lace. I actually saw a stylist do this and it looked like a more, I don't know, just an easier way to apply my lace. So this 3-section method is what I used for this time. Then I go over with my Got To Be Glued freeze spray and the gel. Blow dry everything down, and then we can get ready to melt this lace into our scalp and customize this wig. After letting that lace sit for about 15 minutes, you want to go in and start plucking. When I tell you, you are going to pluck, pluck your life away, you are going to be plucking for a long time, but it is all worth it because it allows for that nice natural hairline. It looks perfect. It's worth it. So you guys, obviously we're not done yet. I gotta go in, lay my edges, pluck just a little bit more on both sides of the hair, just because I think the hairline is just a little bit too drastic for me right now. I like my hairline to be very, very thin, very, very natural. So we are going to go in, do my edges, pluck a lot more, and I will be back with you guys with the final look in just a moment. All right, so just a little recap on what happened when I was off camera. So basically all I did was I swooped up my edges a little bit more. For my babes, for my viewers who don't bleach their knots like I don't, here. No, not today. Not in this house. I'm gonna show you guys exactly what it is that I do. I just take a little bit of my foundation and I literally still have some left over. I put it right here. I dip it in the foundation and then I wipe it off over here to get off the excess. And then I come in here and I dot it on the hair. And then just in the spots where you see lace, put this, because that's where the knots would be bleached. And so wherever the knots would be naturally bleached, if we were to bleach our knots, that's where you want to put foundation. And that's literally the keys to getting this nice, sleek, natural look. And I also sprayed the hair down again with some water, and then I went on top of that with this Argan Oil Style and Shine foaming mousse. So I parted my hair straight down the middle like this, went on top with this. I just put like 4 or 5 pumps in my hand, ran it through the hair, and it came out like this. So I guess we could say it's minimal product, and this is how it turned out. I think the hair looks great. It feels, I wish you guys could just feel how soft this hair is. And another thing I like about this hair is it's not heavy, it's not too dense. When I was even holding the wig earlier in the video, I realized that the wig wasn't heavy, and when I put it on, it's not heavy. So I know when I go out, it's not going to be hot. I'm not going to be like, oh, this feels like a hat, I want to take it off. It's lightweight, and it doesn't feel like a wig. Like when I tell you I'm about to just throw my scarf on and wear this in the bed, this is my hair at this point. Like what lace coming out of the scalp. Another question that I always get asked in regards to wigs is how long it is in proportion to me. So I am 5 feet 10 inches tall, and on me it comes to about, I guess we could say, is this bra strap length? No, I can't even really tell. It comes to here, guys. So whatever this is how it would look if I were to just stand regular. So yeah, I'm tall and it's still pretty long on me, which I love. I'll actually show you guys how much space you have to work with in terms of lace. So you can go, you have that parting space, and it goes to about back here, and you have all this over here. And then you even have about this much back here. The hair, I believe it only shed as much as it did for me because I was plucking and customizing so much. But other than that, I just ran my fingers through it like 1,000 times. Not 1,000, like 5 times. And all I got was this one strand of hair. So shedding is very, very minimal. I love how full the hair is what I'm trying to say. I love how full the wig is. I just think it's a win in all. I'm in love with it. Another thing, if you guys ask, I do have on the 3D mink lashes provided to me by ISEE Hair as well. Other than that, I mean, there's nothing else to say. So yeah. Again, I want to thank ISEE Hair for providing me with this wig. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, y'all already know what to do. Go ahead and give it that big thumbs up, and while you're doing so, subscribe. Also, follow all my social media accounts below, and don't forget to go follow ISEE Hair as well. I love you all. Thank you so much for all the support, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.